the decision to change from homeopathic medicine happened during COVID time, and that was a time when I think majority of life changes happen in lot of people, and that was a time when even one such incident happened in my life, and then I thought of shifting towards public health. That is when I started doing my masters of public health from Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Mumbai. And during my time, during my masters, there were a lot of internships, and during one of the internships I was exposed to the working model of public private partnerships, and that is when I started contemplating why the use of PPP models are being so frequent, and that led me to the answer of management studies, and that is when I decided to do an MBA. Yeah, so it's quite ironic because throughout my whole life I hated maths, but maths came haunting me back in CAT and SAT preparation. So one major challenge that I had in during this 4 months was adopting to major subjects like quants and operations heavy, where it's again lot of quants heavy. So I think it was difficult for me to adapt in the few starting few weeks, but later on here the faculties and even the seniors or our batchmates are really helpful, and they have sat with me like many nights trying to explain me the basic concepts, and that helped me really pick up my pace, and then I was able to adapt now. Sure. I think the choice of Excel Delhi was a very clear one, because if you see how much Excel Delhi has come in this past 5 months from its inception, 5 years of its inception, is very immense. Like if you see the opportunities, they have increased immensely, and plus there is also the 75-year legacy of XLRI attached to it. So it's like you get best of both the worlds here. And coming to the advice that I would give for the aspirants is, I think it will be very easier for you if you have a basic math studies done before coming here. So like basic quants, if you are very good at it, I think your start academic life here would be very better. But apart from that, you are in for a roller coaster ride here. You need to be ready to do late nights, and then all the next day immediately attend classes. So you should be ready to sacrifice hours of sleep, but then be promised that it will be very fruitful. You will also have equal amount of enjoyable life here. You will have a lot of parties. So I think you would have a great 2 years of life here.